Patil, practicing dentist from last 13 years at my native place Hingoli, Maharashtra. I have recently completed Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sir's workshop on consent and record keeping, which gave me a very good insight, knowledge, and daring to prepare an exact personalized consent preparation, how to sign it from the patients, and how it should be and how it should not be. I really thankful to Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sirs for giving instead of record keeping and pulling and pushing towards the digitalization in dentistry in record keeping, how the record should be kept in a very simple way without spending money for it in a spending in softwares. I am very thankful to Dr. Bhavdeep Ahuja sir. Dr. Ahuja sir is a very disciplined person and is a hardcore person like coconut outer shell, but as sweeter and as softer like coconut water in teaching and solving our queries in practice. Very thank you, sir.